What is up, traders? This is Taylor Horton from Simpler Trading. Wanted to put together a quick video here to help y'all decipher these ThinkorSwim alerts. So if you're part of our options room over here, if you're part of any of our masteries, you might be familiar with how we format our trade alerts, but if you're new to one of the groups, it can kind of look like a bit of a different language. So I do think it's important that you can quickly understand whether these alerts are entries, they're exits, are we buying calls, are we selling a spread, are we buying a spread. It's really important for me and for all the other moderators here that you can quickly take action on the alerted trades because it is a fast-moving market, as we all know. So if you're in the options room, we had a solid trade this week here on Amazon. We sold the put credit spread here on Tuesday morning. Market was a bit oversold, or a lot oversold. Had the ready aim fire here, so we sold the put credit spread, and then we bought it back this morning on Thursday for a good chunk of the max profit. That's all good and all, but if you can't understand the alerts, you're not getting an ideal fill, you start missing trades. So if you're in the options room, you are definitely used to these bad boys. These are the trade alerts that we post, whether it be the options room or a mastery, and that's a format that we use. So here was the entry order for Amazon, sold the put credit spread, and here's the exit order to buy back the spread. So in terms of being able to quickly decipher what these alerts exactly mean here. So I got my entry order here, I got my exit order. So let's break this down. The first thing I think you want to look for is, does the order start with to open or to close? If it starts with to open, that's a new trade. We're entering that trade. If the order starts with to close, then we're closing that trade. We're either looking to exit or have already exited the trade. So in this instance, as soon as I post that trade alert on Amazon, you see to open, you know it's a brand new trade. And now what kind of trade are we doing? Are we buying calls? Are we buying a debit spread? So are we buying a vertical? Are we selling a vertical? So in addition to whether it's to open or to close, you also want to look, does it start with sold or does it start with bought? B-O-T. So in this instance, we're selling to open an Amazon vertical. So we're selling a credit spread here. Sold to open means I sold a credit spread and I'm taking an entry here. Now there's your expiration date, there's your strike selection, and you can see that obviously it's a put credit spread. 32.40, 32.35 put. And on these trade alerts, the first option is always going to be the short option in a put credit spread. So if it was a call credit spread, it might be 32.40, 32.50. The first option is always going to be the short strike. So there's an entry order for a put credit spread. I sold to open, so I'm opening a new trade, a vertical on Amazon. There's the expiration date, August 8th. There's the strikes, so we know it's a put, so 32.40, 32.35 put credit spread, and then I'm getting filled at $2.02. So there's your entry order. The alert that I posted this morning, as soon as you see that and you see to close, you should know we're looking to exit this trade, or I've already exited this trade. And then bought just tells you I'm buying a position. So I'm buying a position here to close a trade. On the entry order, I'm selling a position to open the trade. So we're buying a position to close, and obviously we're buying back the same vertical here for 89 cents. So about $110, $115 profit per contract. But to take advantage of these trade alerts that I'm posting and the other traders here in the group, gotta quickly be able to understand that. So most important thing is the order to open or to close. To open, we're looking at a new trade here. Fresh opportunity, some fresh blood. But to close, it's a done deal. And then whether or not we sold or bought, that just tells you whether you're buying calls, are you selling a spread, are you buying a vertical, are you selling a vertical. But those really are the two most important things. Everything else is a bit self-explanatory. So obviously it's a vertical on Amazon. Obviously it expires on October 8th. You got your 32.40, 32.35 put. That's what's key, is we're opening that vertical and obviously we're selling it. And then when we close the order, we're buying it back. So that's a format that we use in the options room. It's a format that I use in my mastery. Same goes for other traders' masteries. And if you are part of one of the communities here, we want you to be able to quickly take action on these alerts. So next time you see me in the options room, we're over here in our mastery, and you get one of these right here. you already know what to do. To open, it's a new trade. Sold, probably selling a spread here. And sure enough, there's your spread. So I hope you found this helpful. Definitely for me at first, this looked like hieroglyphics, but once you kind of understand what really matters here, the rest is self-explanatory, and hopefully this allows you to take quick advantage of these trade alerts. So good work on Amazon here. Let's go find the next one. What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Focus Trades here with simplertrading.com, and as always, I appreciate you watching our videos. If you happen to enjoy this one, go on ahead and like and comment down below, and if you're not already, make sure you go on ahead and subscribe and click that bell icon. That way, whenever Chandler and I upload a video, you'll get a notification once it's live. And if you want to watch us trade live with our own money Monday through Friday, you can check us out at simplertrading.com. See you in the next video.